What's up, y'all? So I just randomly decided to give these a try about an hour before Best Buy closed tonight. I purposely did not touch the display model just so that my first time ever holding these bad boys is in this video. I can't wait to sniff these. These are the Midnight Blue AirPod Max. Let's see what we're working with. This is gonna sound crazy, but these were on sale for $479. There's legit no unboxing like unboxing an Apple product. I gotta give it to them. They always make sure you get a premium experience when you're opening up one of their products. Now, one key detail you need to know about these headphones is you're gonna have to put them back in this case every time you want them to turn off. But right now we want them to turn on, so let's remove this case. I have seen some reviewers worried about the wear and tear because the ear cups tend to hit each other when you're walking with them. I can see that. Let's remove this ear cup protection. This is oddly very pleasant to remove. Now that it's undressed, let's see how premium these bad boys really are. I am really digging this mesh headband. This thing feels amazing. The foam material in these ear cups are nice. We have a really nice mode button. Then we got the volume dial and the pause and play music, skip tracks, rewind tracks. Super simple and sleek design. You got your USB-C port here. These bad boys are actually pretty heavy, so if you got a small head, you might tip over wearing these. Now let's check these hinges out. You know Apple, they gotta do everything big. Something simple like this, it does feel good, but you know them, this was made with the finest metal with 16 scientists in 17 labs. I really do like how these ear cups throw it back though. I'm actually really excited to dive into these. I mean, they've been out for a few years, the Lightning version, and they just came out with the USB-C version last year, so finally, I get to check these out. I was about to say, let's see what else we got in here, but everybody already knows what's in here. You got the instructions that nobody reading. And as some of you know, it's BYOS, bring your own stickers. Luckily, I got a bunch of stickers, so I'm not tripping. Now, I'm actually surprised that they're giving us a white USB-C cable because most of their products of color, they've been giving us a matching cable, but it's cool. It's still invited to the barbecue. Now, all jokes and packaging aside, let's check out this case. Now this case is the reason why I haven't bought these, but after actually feeling it, it's really not that bad. Like that was a big part of the reason why I never bought these bad boys, but it's really not that bad. It's actually a nice experience throwing them in here. Now first impressions off of the initial unboxing, these feel way more premium than they look, and I feel like they look really premium. All right, now let's try these bad boys on my head. Wow, everything just cut off. Now I already have the Studio Pros, which are amazing. I really have no complaints with these. So I just brought these so I can try them out. I don't even know if I'm keeping them. I got about 14 days to decide, but this is just the unboxing video. I'm going to do at least a 1 week review of me using these a lot, whether I'm editing or streaming. And I think I'm gonna do another video, especially if I keep them, where I compare these to the Beats Studio Pro, which I've had these for about 18 months. I was gonna do a Beats Studio Pro 18 months later video, but I figured I would just do something new. So I got all the B-roll from this video that I was working on, and I'm just gonna combine the two and compare them. So I'm really excited to see which ones I like the best. So obviously after I use them a little bit, I can do a full-fledged review, but right now I just got these about an hour ago. But that's all I got for y'all. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.